Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device a little bit. So let's start with a cache. If you feel that some of the apps are working a little bit too slow and they are working slower than they were working before, I highly recommend to go to the settings. Right here, let me go back, and here we have to find the apps and go to app management at the top. Here, go through this list. Those apps are all installed on your device, and find the app which is working slower than before. So find it. Let me choose maybe the calculator, whatever, and go to the storage usage. It's maybe it's not the best example, to be honest. So let me choose maybe something which I'm using actually. So here we've got the storage usage. Unfortunately, we do not have cache. Let me go and find maybe system launcher. Here we've got storage usage, and finally here we've got the cache. So simply tap on clear cache, and your device, thanks to it, will remove some junk files which are normally saved, and thanks to it, it will work much faster. Be aware and do not tap on clear data unless you'd like to remove everything and simply remove your, I don't know, accounts, files, etc. So be aware about that. So that was the way to clear cache. And the second thing which I highly recommend to do after clearing the cache is to simply restart your device. So you can do it just by pressing the power button and the volume up button together. Let me do it and drag this ball to the restart option, because restarting your device will, let's say, confirm all of the changes made in the apps. And the last thing which I highly recommend to do, and I highly recommend to remember about that, is the phone manager. It is pre-installed app on your device, so for sure you've got one. It's right here, in my case, of course. So find the phone manager. And here we've got different sections which we can use. So for example, we've got System Boost, Clean Up Storage, and Optimize. So I highly recommend to tap on Optimize. Then you can clean up storage. Your device will show you which sections you can clean to just release some memory. And yeah, and basically this is it. So as I said, System Boost, Clean Up Storage, and Optimize. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.